Let's take a look at this example. We are talking about the product of two terms, okay? So what we're supposed to do? We're supposed to just realize that this is our u and this is v. U is equal y plus 1. We're supposed to find the derivative of function x respect to y. So I have u prime is equal dy over dy, and derivative of constant is equal 0. That's why I'm not going to write it. V is equal y minus 3 to the fourth power. V prime is equal, exponents I have 4, y minus 3 to the third power, and derivative of the content of the parentheses. So I have dy over dy, because I have to find the derivative with respect to y. That's why I write y in the denominator, okay? Y in the numerator, because I'm looking for the derivative of this y, okay? So dy over dy. So I have v prime is equal 4 y minus 3, because dy, of course, to the third power, dy over dy is equal 1. I'm not going to write this one over here. So next I'm supposed to use the formula for product. Okay, so what do we have? We have, in this case, x prime is equal u y plus 1, this is my u, times v prime. My v prime is 4 y minus 3 to the third power, plus v y minus 3 to the fourth power times u prime dy over dy, which is equal simply 1. I don't have to write it. So I have x prime is equal, because this is multiplication, so I'm going to write 4 y plus 1 times y minus 3 to the third power plus y minus 3 to the fourth power. We can factorize y minus 3 to the third power. So if x prime is equal y minus 3 to the third power times, I have 4 y plus 1 plus y minus 3. So I have x prime is equal y minus 3 to the third power, and I have 4y plus 4 plus y minus 3. This is equal, copy down, y minus 3 to the third power, and I have inside of the parentheses 4y plus y is equal 5y, and I have 4 minus 3 is equal 1. Okay, and this is my solution to this problem.